Presentation video is designed to help guide you in choosing the next roof for your home and, more importantly, choosing the company you trust to install it. Because the reality is, both decisions matter. The material you choose determines how your roof performs, but the company you choose determines whether that system is installed correctly and whether it will perform the way it was designed to. Every year across Quebec, thousands of homeowners replace their roofs not because they want to, but because they have to. Shingles crack, curl, and wear down under the pressure of snow, wind, rain, and constant freeze-thaw cycles. What was meant to protect the home begins to fail. And every 10 to 15 years, the same thing happens again. Another replacement, another expense, another temporary solution installed on a permanent structure. The real question is simple. Why are we still putting short-term roofs on long-term homes? Most homeowners are told asphalt is the affordable option. At first, it seems that way, but what isn't explained is the long-term reality. Replace a roof 2 or 3 times over the life of a home. Suddenly, that cheaper option becomes the most expensive decision you can make. Over 40 to 50 years, you're not buying one roof, you're buying multiple roofs. You're also dealing with repeated installations, disruption, and ongoing uncertainty. The real conversation shouldn't be about price, it should be about performance, lifespan, and whether the system you're installing is temporary or permanent. The roofing industry today is filled with options. Different materials, different gauges, different coatings. Different systems each, one presented as the best. But when you step back and evaluate what actually performs over time, the differences become clear. Not all roofing systems are created equal. Not even close. And the most important shift is understanding that a roof isn't just a product, it's a system. When one part fails, the entire system fails. That's why engineered metal roofing systems have become the focus for homeowners looking at long-term value. Systems like Vicwest's True Nature are designed differently from the ground up. They're built using 28-gauge high-strength steel for structural integrity. But more importantly, they use Galvalume steel, an advanced alloy of aluminum, zinc, and silicon. This combination provides superior corrosion resistance compared to traditional galvanized steel. The aluminum creates a durable barrier against the elements, while the zinc offers self-healing properties that protect exposed areas over time. The result is a material that can last 2 to 4 times longer in real-world conditions. Where that material comes from also matters. These systems are produced by a Canadian manufacturer with roots going back to 1930, nearly a century of experience designing and producing steel roofing for harsh climates. That level of history and refinement represents decades of testing, improvement, and proven performance in conditions very similar to those found across Quebec. On top of the steel itself, advanced coating systems like PVDF, also known as Kiner 500, and high-performance SMP finishes are applied to protect against UV damage, fading, and environmental wear. These coatings are engineered for long-term exposure, not short-term appearance. Combined with Galvalume steel, they form a layered defense system designed to last. The way the system is installed is just as important as the material. Many metal roofs still rely on exposed fastener screws driven directly through the surface. Over time, those screws expand, contract, and loosen, creating potential points of failure. Engineered systems eliminate that risk. Multi-directional quadriloque interlocking panels lock together on all sides, forming a continuous sealed surface with no exposed screws and no weak points. This transforms the roof from a collection of components into a fully integrated system. Performance isn't based on claims, it's based on testing. These systems meet some of the highest standards in North America, including CCMC approvals, Florida Building Code certifications, and Miami-Dade wind testing protocols. They are engineered to withstand extreme wind conditions up to 200 miles per hour, while also achieving impact resistance ratings up to UL 2218 Class 4 and a Class A fire rating. These are measurable standards designed to perform in real-world conditions. In Quebec, one of the biggest stresses on a roof is snow load. Long winters, heavy accumulation, and repeated freeze-thaw cycles create conditions that traditional roofing systems struggle to handle. Asphalt absorbs moisture, becomes heavier, and weakens over time. Metal roofing behaves differently. Its smooth, engineered surface allows snow to shed naturally, reducing load and minimizing long-term structural stress. This isn't just a feature, it's a critical advantage in a province where winter performance is essential. Design also plays a role. Profiles like Cedar Creek Shake replicate the look of natural wood without the issues of rot, splitting, or ongoing maintenance. Northridge Slate delivers the appearance of slate without the weight and fragility. Behind the aesthetics is purpose-deep keyways that channel water effectively. Structural rigidity built into each panel, and a system engineered for durability as well as appearance. Éco Metal Roof is built around this understanding, not as a product-focused company, but as a system-focused one. The goal is not simply to install roofs, but to deliver permanent roofing solutions designed for Quebec conditions. Every component matters, from underlayment to ventilation to precision installation. Because even the best materials will fail if the system isn't executed properly. Consistency and attention to detail are critical. Éco Metal Roof serves homeowners across Quebec and into Eastern Ontario, not just in one city or region. Installations are performed by experienced teams who understand local conditions, building requirements, and climate challenges. These are not temporary crews. They are trained professionals delivering consistent quality across every project. Whether the home is in Montreal, Quebec City, the South Shore, Eastern Townships, or along the Ontario border, the same high standard is applied every time. Because this isn't about being the biggest it's about being the most reliable. It's about delivering a system that performs the way it's designed to every time. When the right materials, the right engineering, and the right installation come together, the result is fundamentally different from traditional roofing. At its core, this isn't just about roofing. It's about what the roof protects. A home isn't temporary, and the system protecting it shouldn't be either. Over time, the difference between replacing a roof repeatedly and installing a permanent system becomes clear. Not just financially. There's a choice. Continue the cycle of replacing your roof every 10 to 15 years, or make a single decision designed to last. A system built for performance. A system built for Quebec's climate. A system built to protect what matters most. Your home is permanent. Your roof should be too.